Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on TradeW. So what we're going to do right here is we want to create a real account. So we click right here on start trading. Then we fill in right here our email address, and then after that we check mark right here both of them, and then we click here on register. Then right now he's telling us verification success, and now they send a 6-digit verification code to our email address. So now we go to our email address, check for that code, and then we paste that code right here. So 974610. And then right now we select right here our country. So we select it right here in this bar, the Netherlands, and then from here we fill in a password. And boom, there we are. Now we are here in the TradeW dashboard and we just created ourselves an account. So it's that easy, and hopefully this was exactly the video we was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.